grab the hands, point your feet, grab your hands, touch the one side of the floor, and then go back to the floor, to the behind, and then slowly inhale up, exhale down. So we have to do it from the floor, go back to the up, other side, like a boat, like we are paddling in the ocean, in the river. So if you are advanced, then lay down, then standing. This is the advance. So if you lay down, up, and then standing without lifting your leg, lay down and standing, lay down, up and standing. This is the advance. But so if you will keep like this, this is make your core muscles full warm. Up and down. Bend forward a little bit, lay down, up. We can do continue minimum 25 times, maximum 50 times or 100 times, but feel free to take a rest anytime, no worry. You do 30 times, take a rest, 1 minute, 2 minutes, and then do it another 30 times, take a rest, and then another 30 times, take a rest, something like this. So you can divide it into 30 times or 20 times, it depends on you. You can do 1 set, 2 set or 3 set. So you will feel how is your core muscle start to work. It's very important.